In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create doodle letters in Canva. We will explore how to add your own unique artistic flair to letters using Canva's drawing tools, making those letters pop with creativity and style. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open Canva on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, start by creating a new design. You can choose a custom size if you already have specific dimensions in mind, or select from one of Canva's pre-made templates if you prefer to work within a structured layout. This gives you a canvas to play with as you add your own doodle letters. Now let's familiarise ourselves with the tools we need. On the left hand side of the screen you'll see a range of icons. Click on Elements to open up a world of creative options. Here you can find all sorts of items to enhance your design, but for now we're focused on something very specific. Look for the Tools section. Once you click on it, a new pane will open up. This is where the magic begins. Inside the Tools section, one of the icons you'll see is the Draw icon. Go ahead and click on that. This essentially turns your mouse into a virtual pen, allowing you to draw freely on your design. With this tool, you can sketch directly onto your canvas. Imagine it as turning your screen into a blank page where you can let your imagination run wild. Begin by clicking on the space where you'd like to create your doodle letters. As you start drawing, remember that your focus here is on making letters stand out. So think about lines, shapes, and curves that will give your text that extra bit of character. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brushes or colours either, as it offers a great opportunity to personalise your design and make it truly yours. It's important to note that you can adjust the brush size to control the thickness of your lines. This can be particularly helpful if you're looking to make your letters bolder or want to add delicate details. Check how your doodles interact with each other, and feel free to layer your sketches. Once you're happy with your doodle letters, take a step back and look at your design as a whole. Make any necessary adjustments, maybe tweak the colours to match your overall theme, or add more doodles if you find areas that feel a little sparse. As you work through this process, remember that the undo button is your friend. If you make any unintentional marks, there's always room for flexibility and creativity in your design journey. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, save your work by clicking download in the top right corner, and there you have it, a stunning set of doodle letters crafted directly in Canva, ready to be shared with the world. Thanks for joining today. Happy doodling in Canva.